What's up, Mini Nation? I'm back with my 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman S, and today what I'm going to be doing is installing a new rear cup holder in the stock rail that came on my Countryman. Now, this Countryman style is with the two rear bucket seats. You can see my two front ones, two rear ones. So some of them have a bench, some of them have rear buckets. Ours has rear buckets. So it comes with this cool frame rail that's in between the two seats. For a cup holder. The only problem is when we picked it up from the dealer, it didn't have any cup holders, and I asked why, and he said that they occasionally will break. So I went on Amazon and I picked up a new cup holder, and what this does is it actually just kind of pops in or slides into the frame rail. You can see like the frame rail lock there, and it slides into the frame rail here, and then we'll be able to slide back and forth like this. So the key to doing this is you have to remove this rear little plastic dome, and then you'll have access to the frame rail and be able to slide it on. So the only problem is getting at that is kind of complicated, and the first thing you have to do is you want to go to the trunk, and you're going to want to take out your storage cover that goes here, and we're going to take this piece of plastic off. And the way to do that actually is, go back to the seat, you want to pull the seat forward, all the way forward, like so, and then grab the seat, slide it forward so you can expose the two screws that are here. There are two here, and there are two on the other side to remove this piece of plastic to then get at the screws that are on the back here. So I'm going to take these screws out, remove this piece of plastic, and then follow up with removing that piece of plastic. Alright, so once you remove those four screws, you actually have to pop this piece of plastic off. And then once you do that, you got to take out, looks like there are just four screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove those, and then this piece of plastic should come out. Alright, now with those pieces of plastic removed, I can get at the screws that are in the back of the frame rail. Right there. We're going to take those out, and then that piece of plastic should pop off. And you slide this piece of plastic forward, and there's one more screw right there to take out. And next there are two screws here in the frame rail that you need to loosen to be able to pull the frame rail up to slide the cup in. Alright, so I got my sliding cup installed, and it wiggles back and forth. Kind of a pain in the butt to do, but now the cup is in. So the next steps are just to put the thing back together. And with everything back in place, cup holder, able to slide back and forth. It's a little snug. There's actually room, for another cup holder, but we'll just do the one since it's kind of a pain in the butt to take all that apart. Cup holder in between the two rear mini bucket seats and our little guard dog.